Mr. Markn, thanks for staying tuned. Name is Mr. Markn and I dare you to zone out. Shit. Straight from the top of the flow, ready know, I don't need a pen, you need a pen for my heavy flow. Flow from the veins to the arteries and ventricles. Hot-tempered, but I'm very cool. Never walk alone like I was playing for Liverpool. Keep it cool. Why these niggas looking ridicule? Put me in the box, bet I jump out of the cubicle. Shit, I swear to God that you've been fooled. I'm winning every day, it's like a deja vu. The day you beat me, check your calendar, bro. April 1st, and I swear to God you're April Fool. Still on the denim and the black jeans. Black man with the black dreams, you can check the accent. Take the lights and the camera. Mr. Markn ready for the action. Major satisfaction. When the chick grabbed the mic, sing to me to my sleep like her name was Gladys Knight. It's all about sacrifice. Rolling through the streets, we looking for paradise. The best what they all say. I ain't messing the game up, this is foreplay. And I'ma just do it all days. When it comes to flows, I do it always. That's a Brandon, not a virgin, but the boy like Richard Branson. Very handsome, don't hold him a ransom. This ain't Delta. Boys running for food, looking for shelter. While they running helter skelter. I'm all in the sky like a Delta. That's an aeroplane, and I'm so insane. Plus I spit the flames. Swear to God I'm Dao Zim, it's the yoga flame. Street fighter when I came up with the guy. Mr. Markn, while they running, I be flying by the miles. That is sky high. What the way that they drive, why? Alibi, why lie? This is my time. Walai talai, they said get rich or die while you trying to try. But they also forget that the rich do cry. I'm going up on the plane Dubai, I'm looking at his female, looking nice, 8-figure, that's the detail. I don't send her, she no be email, but she trying to get down to the details. That means down on the balcony. I'm outside so high like the Falcon Bee. If I don't see, you know I see through. Success and I feel it in the air like Beanie Siegel. Still breaking the arms like Steven Seagal. Vivo, yo, we do it for the people. And I do it what the streets do. I'ma zone out, take two, this fool. Shit.
Greetings, airplanes, it's pathogens. Take me to your leader, alienation things. Extraterrestrial, fellatio also means that my lyrical genotype is all up in your genes. Jeans, means, skins, pings, magazines. Bust your fuel tank with my catapult sling. Fling, look at the way I